So, hello, Olivier. It's great to have you, and thank you very much for your talk. Could you tell us, what was the upshot? What was the main message of your talk?
My message of today was that means there are alternatives to test because we cannot test all materials on the market. And one of the solutions is to use modeling, migration modeling. With this, we can evaluate the contamination of food by any substances from almost today, from any material. And we can determine whether the amount which is transferred to the food is acceptable or not. And we can identify ways to reduce this contamination, to make it perhaps as low as possible.
What would be your answer to people who are critical towards the use of computational modeling methods for the study of chemical migration?
But one of the most surprising part of this session is we organized a poll and we asked the people whether they were against using modeling. And 2/3 of the people, among 29, they say they would like to use modeling because that reduces cost, you can have an answer faster, and you can do optimization. Instead of testing in the finished product, you can test all along the design process of your food packaging. That means you can even use preventive approaches. You can control, that means the contamination, what you are leaching. That's the main interest of modeling, to optimize design, formulation for your own application. And this is really fast and not really expensive. But that means one of the main critical points, that means that require training, safeguards, guidance, and that's the main point.
All right, thank you very much, Olivier,
Thank you.
and thanks again for your talk.
Thank you a lot.